Welcome to 3622 Ginger Lane in Navarre, Florida. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. It's 1,858 square feet, built in 2019. We are located just 18 miles to Hurlburt Field, and the local public boat ramp in Holly is just 2.9 miles away. So great location for that. There is no HOA, so feel free to park your boat or any of your toys right here on property. Hardy plank siding and brick as well. We do have hurricane coverings on this home as well as gutters. It is just so gorgeous in here. I'm super excited to show you this one. A few other features that we do have a Ring doorbell and a home security system, as well as a Nest thermostat. So very tastefully done in here. Coming into the foyer, we do have our garage entry over here on our right-hand side. And just next to this, we have our laundry room, and more on that just in a few minutes. We have a wonderful barn door here to kind of block off that space to the main living area. So very spacious open floor plan here, high ceilings with a tray ceiling and recessed lighting in the living room. Vinyl plank flooring throughout. As you can see, it's really spacious in here. We have a nice size sofa in here. Love this open floor plan. Flows wonderfully into the kitchen. We do have quartz countertops in here with a breakfast bar suitable for seating for 3. Fridge with ice and water dispenser with an electric cooktop, built-in microwave, pantry, and soft close cabinetry as well. Just a wonderful setup in here. Into our dining area, I want to note these awesome windows here with no panes in there. It just allows so much natural light with wonderful views of the backyard. I just love this feature. And the dining area is suitable for dining for 6. We have a split floor plan here. So the primary suite is on the opposite side of the house from the other 3 additional bedrooms and bathroom. King size bed in here, very spacious master suite with tray ceilings. And into the master bath, we do have a double vanity with a custom tile shower. We do have dual shower heads. We have a rain shower head up top and a traditional shower head as well. And a garden tub. We do have a water closet over here off to the side for some privacy. And straight back into our spacious walk-in closet. Kind of have 2 sides here for a little bit of separation. And this is one of my favorite features in houses, is when there is an entryway that leads right into the laundry room. Super easy to get all your laundry hung and put away. Doesn't end up in the living room on the sofa. So I love this feature here, right into the master closet. Gorgeous, gorgeous master bath. And again, into our primary bedroom here. Very spacious. Looks onto the backyard there. Just across the way, we have our 3 additional bedrooms and bathrooms. And vinyl plank flooring throughout the entire home, so no carpet. Nice and clean. This is our first bedroom here. And then we have our second bedroom. On the front side of the house. And then our third bedroom here. Lots of natural light in this house. It's very light and bright. Nice size closets in all 3 bedrooms as well. And into our second full bath, we do have a linen closet here in the hall for some additional storage. Single vanity with a shower tub combo in this bathroom here. Just gorgeous in here. Love these high ceilings, and I just really love this floor plan. It's just so open and spacious here. All right. right, I will take you back outside. We are on 0.36 acres, so nice size yard here. Fully fenced with a privacy fence back here. And a really nice size covered patio as well. This kind of loops around back here. Gives for a nice entertaining space. So you have plenty of room out here. You could get a full outdoor sectional as well as a table out here to entertain, so lots of room. Plenty of room for a swimming pool if you were interested in that. We have some oak trees here in the backyard, providing some shade back here. Always a nice feature to have. We do have a side gate entry as well, and we have a nice little hangout fire pit area just off to the right there. So just a turnkey home here, no projects, again, built in 2019. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom at over 1,800 square feet. I'll give you one last look at the kitchen and main living area. Just love this kitchen. Again, this is 3622 Ginger Lane in Navarre, Florida. Please let us know if you have anybody who'd like to see it or you'd like to set up a private showing. We would love to show you this absolutely gorgeous home.